Last week I posted a photo of everything that I carry in my messenger bag, and a lot of people noticed and asked me what are these metallic rings doing on my laptop. And let me tell you, this is a very clever way I recently discovered which helps me carry my SSD, because a lot of people who are using Macbook, they carry external SSD, and this is the smartest way that I have discovered on carrying your SSDs with your MacBook Pro setup. Coming up in this video, let's go. Hi, my name is Ayan. On this channel I help you find the right tools for your daily life adventures, and the life adventures that we are talking about today is carrying these external SSD drives, some accessories with your MacBook Pro, because let's face it, Apple makes very limited memory, and if you want to upgrade the memory, you have to sell a kidney sometimes. And that's why a lot of people like me, whether they are developers, whether they are content creators, whether they are editors, photographers, movie makers, whatnot, they rely on external SSDs like this. And it's sometimes a hassle to carry these SSDs, and when you connect it to the laptop, the wire is all over the place. So in this really quick video, I wanted to address exactly the same problem on how I carry my SSD drives. But before that, if you are still using those SSD big drives, and time to upgrade these to sleek NVMe drives, these are by far the fastest storage available. I actually made a video a few years back on how you can make your own NVMe drives and external PCI drives, which basically use a Thunderbolt connection, and that way it gives you the best possible speed and performance. And it's great for video editing, it's also great for playing games. And I have these two NVMe drives, one in 2TB version, one in 1TB version, which goes with me everywhere. And for a very long time I have been looking for a solution to basically mount it on my laptop, so it's not a hassle. And I've seen a lot of people doing some hack around where they're putting some Velcro, some pockets, and to be honest, that doesn't look aesthetically good, and I was avoiding it for a long time. Some people even double tape it and put it on the back of the laptop, and I was not comfortable carrying all the time an external SSD drive on the back of my laptop screen and put it in the bag. It doesn't look good, it doesn't feel comfortable, practical, and it can break the screen and drive and wires and whatnot. So I was looking for a solution for a very long time, but recently I discovered solution in altogether a different hobby, in the world of headphones, in the world of IEMs, in the world of DAC. I actually recently made a video showcasing my hi-res lossless sound streaming setup, and in that I showed how I carry my DAC, digital to analog converter, on the back of my phone, and that is exactly what I'm using also to carry my SSDs on my laptop. So before we move ahead in the video, I want to quickly thank the sponsor of this video, and that is literally me. So earlier this year I decided that the community in India for everyday carry and men's lifestyle is very, very small, and no one is making good quality products and products that we really need in the community. So I decided to make my own shop, make a lot of products, and bring it to you people. The first product is launched on my website apx.tools, the Akashia Vault. So this is the catch-all valet tray that will organizes all your everyday carry items and also desk accessories if you need that. Just put it in your wardrobe, your desk, or even in your doorway, so you never forget the things that you want to take it with you for your everyday carry. It is available in glossy and matte finish. So check out apx.tools and buy yours using the code AP10 to get discount on your first orders. Now back to the video. So this is a small sort of a Mac clip attachment, a MagSafe attachment by a company called Fio, and I'm sure they have never imagined that this could also become the use case of their Mac clips accessories. So basically they make this MagSafe attachment which puts on the back of your iPhone or any phone for that matter, and over here you can use these bungee cords to put your DAC and use for music streaming. But what I have adapted it for is carrying my SSD. So basically this is the metal ring, sort of a MagSafe ring, which is available for Android phone, because Apple only makes a MagSafe, and if you want MagSafe compatible accessories, you need to put this sort of a ring on the back of your phone. But what I have done is bought this accessory, two of them, and this comes with this ring, and I put this ring on the back of my laptop, and here goes the attachment. So this is the attachment that goes on this, it magnetically aligns using the MagSafe magnets, and that's exactly what I use to carry my SSD. So let me show you how I do that. So over here I put my SSD and NVMe drive like this, and I attach it over here. And then the USB-C cable, the Thunderbolt cable, goes into my Mac and goes into my SSD drive like this, and basically gives me a very portable setup, and also a setup that I can remove and don't have to permanently attach it over here. Similarly, I mentioned I have two NVMe drives, so one drive goes over here, but I'm using that drive to record this video. So let me showcase you with this accessory. So this is like a Thunderbolt bridge, USB-C to SSD, NVMe, all sort of things. So similarly, it can attach over here, and it can connect to USB cable like this, and that's how I use my Mac with all my SSD external drives. And basically it attaches there, and once the work is done, I basically disconnect them like this, and then I can disconnect this as well. So that makes it a very sleek setup for everyday carry. Great on and off situation, you don't have to permanently put it here, doesn't look ugly as well. You can also hide it with sticker if you want, but I don't really mind that having it over here. So yeah, that's what I wanted to showcase you. The link to buy this will be in the description. It's available in Headphone Zone India, and and yeah, it's magnetically attached. One thing that I want to mention, that screen might be delicate, so be very careful when attaching it. Don't let it, attach fully with full force. Make it very, seamless and soft as possible. But yeah, I wanted to make this a really quick video showcasing you my everyday carry setup of my MacBook Pro with external NVMe. Let me know what you think about this video. But before you go, do check out what everything I carry in my tech pouch. It has a lot of interesting gadgets. I'm sure you will love it. And also what is in my everyday carry messenger bag that I use for work from home and work from coffee shop situation. Thank you for staying till the very end. And on that note, I'm gonna see you in the next one.